Hey guys, welcome to the video. Guess what came in the mail today? Another credit card. So we will do a full unboxing and review of this card. And you know me, I am not going to review a card that I don't personally own. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. All right, so let's see what the package holds. Our new cards are made from 80% recycled materials. We've set a goal of achieving net zero before 2050, so good to know they're being environment conscious. So they talk about the sign-up bonus pretty early on in the packaging. New cardholders get 25,000 bonus points after making $1,000 of purchases in 90 days of account opening. So should be pretty easy to do because that amounts to about $333 per month there. So yeah, if you're, as simple as making utility bills or other things there, even if you're a student, I do think it should be relatively easy to hit that $1,000 of spent in 3 months there. And they mentioned this already. Earning 25,000 bonus points is easy. And all the details that are here, I'm not going to go into a lot of details in this. Feel free to pause this video if you want to read it. And let's see what they have here. More terms and conditions. And just so you guys know, if you want to read all this in details, you could find all this information in their website as well. Just go through the fine print and you'll find that there. All the details of the terms and conditions here as well, your benefits guide, etc., etc. Once again, feel free to pause this video if you want to read through it here, or you could go to their website. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Guide to your new account documents. Well, you got your credit score letter, your account summary table, your credit card agreement, privacy policy, marketing notice. We just looked at the rewards program rules and benefits guide. I just skipped through my credit report there. Don't want that out there in the internet. But if you look at the account summary table, they talk about what the APR is going to be, the interest rate, and so on and so forth. So 18.24%. That's why we don't want to carry a balance on the credit card if we could prevent that. These are your credit card agreements. Once again, you'll find it on their website, but feel free to pause this video if you want to read through it here. Pretty standard statements for everything else, minimum payments, other things. There's a privacy notice that they have to give to all their customers, how they share their data, etc. But that's not why you all are here. You guys are here to see the unboxing of the card. So I had to black out some information here. They gave me a total credit line of $2,500. Cash line of $750. I don't recommend using the cash line if at all possible because there's a very high fee for that. So let's look at the summary of this card, right? This is a pretty simple travel rewards credit card. A lot of credit cards have great benefits, but you have to jump through a lot of hoops. There are a lot of ifs and buts. But if you are new to this game, for a beginner travel rewards credit card, this is very, very good because you get 1.5 points for every dollar you spend anywhere. There's no limit on points, and points don't expire. So pretty simple in that case. You also get to redeem those points as well, get more with preferred rewards. If you are a preferred rewards member, you earn 25 to 75% more. This means you earn up to 2.62 points for every dollar you spend. Now, for this, you need to keep like a lot of money with Bank of America. So let's just disregard this for now. You could use your card to book your trip how and where you want with no blackout dates, and pay yourself back with a statement credit towards travel and dining, including takeout purchases. So super simple to redeem those points here. That's my reason for getting this card. And like I said, if you're a beginner, look into this card. If you're looking for more benefits, but you're willing to jump through a little bit of a hoop, look at the Chase Sapphire Reserve. I've got a couple of videos of that card on my channel as well. I go into a lot of detail. Those are pretty long videos, but if you want more benefits, don't mind an annual fee, and is willing to do a little bit of work for it, that could be your card. But if you want a simple, straightforward card for travel, this is very good. And also Bank of America, Chase, these are both banks that are pretty much everywhere in the US. So the major banks there. So take your pick. There's no wrong choice. It just depends on what you want. All right, now let's take a look at this card. Nothing much in the back of that letter. Okay, kind of digging the blue color here. They're rebranding everything with this new type of design there with different colors. And let me get rid of this sticker. The design is exactly the same as the Everyday Cash Rewards credit card. That one's in red, this one's in blue, but that's the only thing. And also, it's got this whole recycle logo here because most of this card is from recycled plastic, which is great. Very standard plastic card, as you can see here. The numbers and everything else is at the back, which makes these unboxing videos easy for me. But nothing to write home about, guys. This is a plastic card. I wish these banks would make these cards a lot nicer, They could make it metal or, somewhat nicer there. But, it should do the job. It should still work exactly the same. So, and if you could look at the back right here, my thumb is covering all the information, but made from recycled plastic. The back is a little white, silvery color. Like I said, guys, nothing to write home about. But that's nothing wrong with that. It's a simple card. It's functional. It does what it is supposed to do. Oh, it also has NFC, got that little logo there as well. The Visa logo right here is a little silvery material. I don't know if you could see that in the light right here. This is the little glue from this sticker that I just took off. I'll rub it off in a second, but that's about it, guys. Pretty simple, straightforward card. I'll leave a link to it in the description there if I have one, so you could directly go there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So that's about it. If you guys have any questions, leave that in the comment section below and I will get back to it. If you like unboxing and review videos like this, feel free to subscribe to this channel. I've got plenty of these videos where I kind of unbox and review these cards. And these are all cards that I have, so I'll be able to speak to that. So all the best, and hope you guys found this video useful. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.